Hi, we're gonna see how append face works on Clayoo. This is a really powerful tool with a lot of different settings, so let's go step by step. Go to the Creation tab and append face. We can start from scratch with no geometry selected, and just clicking 4 times, it's gonna create one face. I can just click again 4 more times, okay, to create an appended face, and I can do it several times. I have another option, as I see here, it's called AutoQuad Yes. This is gonna mean that when I click the 4th time, it's gonna automatically close the face. Now if I deactivate the option AutoQuad, I'll be able to click more than 4 times before it cancels the face. So I can just click all the times that I want, and when I've created that, just right click, okay, to create the N-gon in this case. I'm going to activate AutoQuad again, and we're going to see this example on the next model. So right now, let's go to fill this hole, so I can just create, clicking the 4 points, this face. So it's perfectly fitting in there. Now let's close that with a single face, so let's click on AutoQuad, and we can just click all the times that I need to fill the hole and click on validate. And here we can just add different faces depending on the edges that we have. So let's activate AutoQuad again. Let me undo everything that I've created. Now let's go to append face again, and let's see the weld option. Okay, when I create the weld option, now I'm gonna deactivate that. When I'm creating the same face that I was creating before, it's gonna create the face but not welded with the base geometry. So if I select the face right now and go to the move gamble mode, it's gonna be totally separate from the other object. Okay, so I can create a face just welded to the object or not. And now let's go for the final step, that maybe it's the most interesting one. So let's get rid of all of that. And let's play a little bit with the sphere. Let's go again to the append face, and now we're going to check all the different modes that we have, but using retopology. We can use all the different modes also when we are creating faces from scratch or in any mode. Okay, but in here we're going to use it with retopology. When I activate retopology, an offset option will appear. That is the distance between the base object and the new geometry that we are creating. Okay, so right now I'm gonna click the same 4 times that we've clicked before on my object, okay, on the sphere in this case. So it's gonna create just one face at 0.2 millimeters from the base object. Right now the option weld, it's not activated, so I'm gonna activate it right now to weld the next face I'm creating. And those ones appears welded. This one is not, because here we have a naked loop painted as pink. So now let's see how the other modes works. So let's activate append face, click on one face, maybe we're gonna create 2, maybe 3. And now let's see the other modes. Click on mode, let's change to from edge, and in here I can just click on my first selection on an edge, and clicking 2 points will create the face. This is so more interesting because it's going to allow me to create faces faster than clicking just point by point. So the last mode is chain. So let's click again on mode. Let's click on chain. And what chain does is it requests the same that in edge, so an edge as first selection. But then when I click on the first point and I'll click on the second one, it's going to automatically detect the angle, okay, where I'm the order where I'm picking the points, and it will automatically just make me click one time to create the face to generate this loop of faces so fast. Okay, so that's so interesting when we are just retopologing one model to go faster. So we've seen a lot of the different possibilities that we have with append face. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.